has started to snow, you guys. Do you see it? It's snowing. Oh my gosh. It is snowing. It's snowing! It's gonna lay with the ground. Holy crap. I'm gonna show y'all. Look at the snow on my window sill of my car. Look at the snow piling up on the window sills of Braxton's truck. Look at the snow piling up on my back windshield, you guys. We're in a real life snow globe right now. This is out our front door, you guys. This is out our front door. No, Chunky, you cannot go out. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is now the state of our yard, you guys. You can barely even see out the window now. It's a whiteout. Look at our backyard. I can't even see. Whoa!